Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video I'll be talking about how my parents found an injured bird and we took care of it. So yeah, do watch the video till the end. Hello guys, so it's day one with the bird and we found this bird lying in the road literally dead because of the extreme weather. So we thought of taking it inside and yeah, first we gave it water and later I also gave it some till seeds, and I told my father to send it outside, but he told that if we send outside then the bird will die. So we thought of putting him in a cage and take care of it for a few days, and after that we'll let it away. So yeah, thought of making a video because nowadays it's very much common that birds, because of the extreme weather, birds just lie around in the road, and after that any vehicle goes across them, or because no one take care of them, they literally die there only. This is the cage I was talking about, and that's the bird. We also placed it near a plant so that it gets somewhat nature feel. First it was very much afraid, so I played birds chirping sound, and after that it was somewhat okay. So the bird didn't even make a single noise since we brought it to home. I don't know if she's afraid and something has happened to its legs. So yeah, we are trying to take care of it. I just hope that it does not die. I am also suffering from fever, so yes, I got a companion to stay with me. Cheers for that. So as I said, I was suffering from fever and I can't even cough. If I am coughing, the bird is getting afraid and trying to fly here and there in that cage. So yeah, it's pretty much scared till now. See, nowadays many things like this are common, and being humans we are also not giving any care to them. So other day I just found a squirrel dead in the road. Actually my father found it and I was saddened to see it. Means I think it's dead by some vehicle gone over it. It was dead pretty much when we found it out, and I buried it. So yeah, these are also animals, and same they are also having lives like us only. So due to our mistakes only most of them die. See, being an environmental student, of course I feel sad for their deaths and all. So yeah, if you can help any of them, please come forward and take care of them. See, they can't, being social animals, we have brain and we can think of what are the conditions and all. So I'm not able to talk loud also because if I'm talking loudly it gets afraid. So now I'll play its chirping sounds again so that it gets somewhat feel that it's somewhere outside safe. I can't even talk lot. So yeah, I'll try to make a documentary video till the bird is okay, or till the day we send it outside. So yeah, as you can see something has happened to its legs, so it's not safe to send him outside now. After coming my father will check it and tie a bandage or something to that, so that we can take care of its legs, and after that it gets okay. So it might have fallen due to the extreme weather, and in that fall only it might have affected its legs. So it's clearly seen that it's not able to walk. See, now most of them might be thinking that why we have put this bird in a cage and all, why can't we leave it outside? So first of all my thought was also that only, but later I understood that in this condition sending it out won't be right. One thing, because of that heat it's just now getting somewhat okay, so if we send outside now only because of that same heat conditions, again it will die only. And second thing, the main thing is that its leg is not okay, so that will be a very much problem for a flight and for everything. So, and third thing, if we say just keep it in the room, it will try to fly. And as you know, in our room everything AC, fan, lights and everything will be working, so it might get attacked by that fan and all. So better is to keep it in cage only. She's trying to move here and there in that cage. And yeah, when we on light also it's getting afraid because of that heat, I think. Everything is off now. Also trying to speak slowly. It's getting afraid for anything I do. See, this is not any prepared vlog and all. I did not write any scripts for this and all. So it will be a raw one. Just thought of making a documentary about this thing, as I've seen a lot of things like this happening during summer. So yeah, now the bird is outside and it has some place to fly. It's flying some little bit, after that it's falling suddenly. So yeah, let's see till my parents come and they do something. So yeah, that was the end of day one, and after my parents arrived, they applied an oil called as Muruvanna, which is very much famous in Kerala, to that bird. And we also gave a few drops of milk so that it might get energy to walk here and there. After that we decided to place the bird somewhere outside. When we were about to place the bird outside, it suddenly got so much energy and it started to walk here and there, and it was ready to fly. So yeah, if we decide to spend 4 to 5 hours of our time, we could save an animal's life. So yeah, that was pretty much day one and end of this documentary. Really sorry if the sound is low and everything. I'm not feeling that much well. Sound might be low, but the point is strong. The moment the bird started flying once again, the amount of happiness which we all felt was very much extreme. I never thought that seeing a bird fly will bring this much happiness. See, that's the power of nature. So yes, that's it for today, guys. Feel free to share it with everyone because it's a very important message and the weather conditions are also becoming very harsh. So वीडियो पसंद आया तो लाइक कीजिए, कुछ ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा तो कमेंट कीजिए, चैनल पर नया तो सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और हम मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। तब तक के लिए पीस आउट।